How to age with dignity and grace. It becomes increasingly difficult to form healthy opinions about the aging process when our media systematically promotes youth as the ideal health condition. It makes perfect sense then that many mourn everything to do with the aging process and are in distress over every increasing birthday. Ironically, we all face the contrast of prosperity and hardships throughout our life. Yet some age positively with grace and dignity, while others do not. Aging is not a disease. It is not something you need to hide. It is not something you need to treat. Aging is inevitable. It is a natural phenomenon that comes with life. In today's video, we are going to talk about the art of aging well. I will be sharing 7 tips with you. Aging is a combination of physical, cognitive, and spiritual peace. It is a perk of wisdom, resilience, inner strength, self-awareness, and knowledge. If a person chooses, getting older can be an enjoyable phase of life. Why not embrace aging with a graceful attitude? Just because you are getting older does not mean that you cannot look great and feel young. It's just a matter of priorities. Whether young or old, if you manage your life well, it will enhance the quality of your life. Now, if you were to get on the web and search how to age with grace, a number of online articles are going to pop up talking about makeup, skincare, and obscure beauty tips. But it is quite the opposite, folks. Aging with grace and dignity has nothing to do with skincare and facelifts. Now, I certainly am not saying there is anything wrong with skincare. As many of you know, I am on a very aggressive anti-aging skincare routine. I also have nothing negative to say about facelifts or anything that one chooses to do leading up to a facelift or in place of a facelift. After all, many of you are aware that I do a little tweaking here and there. I do a little restoring some lost volume, and I also do a little softening some fine lines. But whether you choose to color your hair, or you choose not to color your hair, or you choose to resource Botox, or you choose to let all of your expressions run freely, it has nothing to do with aging with grace and dignity. Aging gracefully and with dignity is an attitude. It is a belief in the goodness of what you are experiencing. It is gentle, tender affirmations that honor your being and the journey of your life thus far. It is the great experiences of your life, the moments of enlightenment, and the beautiful memories that you have created. These are the essential fabric of your being. Aging with grace and dignity. Allow me to share 7 tips of aging well. Number 1, pay homage to yourself. Honor your age, your journey, and your being. Pay reverence to the life you have lived, and most importantly, believe in the beauty that lies ahead for you. Understand that perception is reality, and your attitude is in fact everything. Number 2, cultivate your life. In other words, continue to live. What does that mean? It means be happy. Find contentment with the aging process. Have confidence in your aging. Have vigor, vitality, and hope. Number 3, make self-care a priority. Get your annual physicals, mammograms, and any other preventives that your doctor recommends. Incorporate a little heart-pumping exercise into your daily regime, even if it's just walking. The important thing is you are doing something, you're moving. Eat a healthy diet often and indulge a little. Food is social, folks. Enjoy it. Make sure you are grooming and keeping up with your self-care routine, whatever that is for you. And if you choose to color your hair or get a little work done here or there, do it without guilt and never defend yourself to anyone. Number 4, stay or get involved in what or who interests you. Continue to take vacations that you love. Spend time in nature. Surround yourself with quality people. The important thing is you stay plugged in. Number 5, keep your mind active. To keep your memory sharp, aid in the reduction of depression, and reduce your chances of dementia, you need to keep your mind active. You can do this by reading books, newspapers, or magazines. You could join a book club. Do puzzles, play games. Crosswords are great for brain stimulation. Studies have shown that even gardening stimulates the mind. Nature in general has so many health benefits. Number 6, plan for your future health conditions. Becoming older will inevitably come with various issues. For many, limitations, illness, and loss are a real part of their lives. It's important to be your own advocate and develop a plan. Talk about options with your spouse, children, and healthcare provider. Folks, be responsible with the aging process. Be aware. Stay limber. But remember, sometimes our mind is telling us we can do something that our body is telling we need to slow down. So be aware, pay attention, and practice mindfulness. And number 7, plan for your future finances. It's important to make sure you have enough money to live and enjoy life in your old age. Retirement planning is essential and something that hopefully you considered many years ago. It's also important to protect what you have, especially for your children and grandchildren's sake. Make sure the proper documents have been prepared to ensure this: wills, trusts, advance directives, health and life insurance policies. 7 tips to the art of aging well with dignity and grace. Please check the drop-down box below this video for a full library of videos that complement today's video. If you would like me to do a future video expanding off of today's topic, I would be happy to do so. Comments always welcome below. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.